Hi everyone, welcome back to our style journey. Today I will share with you some gorgeous and some fashionable skirt designs ideas. So in this video I'm gonna share my style journey with the sequin work, pencil and mermaid skirt designs. So let's just embark on the journey of cocktail dresses. In this video, the most demanding collection is here, guys. You will get the most beautiful designs ideas in this video of sequin pencil skirts for the Christmas Eve. So if you're looking for some glittery skirts ideas, so this video is really going to be very helpful for you and you are on the right video. So guys, you will find different colors, different styles of pencil skirts. The sequin work pencil skirts are highly running in fashion these days. If you're planning about going to a Christmas party, so you must have a sequin work pencil skirt in your wardrobe, whether it be long, whether it be midi or the short one. You must have one. You can, if you have a short skirt, you can wear them with stockings, and you must have a plain top with these beautiful sequin work skirts, whether it be in white, whether it be in black or any color, but that should be a plain top. I hope you are loving these designs. So if you're loving these sequin work, shiny, glittery top skirts with beautiful tops, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how were the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.